Ready? Good evening, guys. I have made 45 videos so far for you guys, and I have uploaded it on YouTube. All these videos, and I believe you are watching my videos every day and try to understand and try to learn, the grammar, spoken, gravity of English, and all this thing. And upcoming days, I'm going to launch more videos on YouTube channels for you only, guys. That's my students, and they are getting profit. I have approximately 500 subscribers, but I'm not happy with that. I want to make it to 5 lakhs subscribers, so and viewers too. So please, I would like to ask my followers, my viewers, and my students, and my friends, my colleagues, those who watch every day my videos. So please, you have to make comment. Please, I would like to request you make a comment and try to understand that the way of teaching. Yes, I do. That's right, because I use American accent. Yeah, I love to teach American accent. So those who are able to understand that, so you can get that at a time. They can come at my center, or they call me anytime regarding the queries. Those who have so that's why I'm requesting you that my negativity, if you come across, while watching my videos, you come across any negative point, that any mistakes, so please, you have to call me, immediately, and ask me and point it out that this thing is wrong, so I'll correct it, right? Or if you think that this thing is wrong, so and you just give me a reason that this thing, and I have to improve a lot. So please, again, I'm requesting you that let's watch my videos, and I'm today 31st May, last day of the month, and tomorrow 1st June, kicks off. Starts. So I'm going to launch more videos on YouTube, and upload more videos on YouTube. Okay, friends, keep watching it. Subscribe, share, and like my videos. Thank you very much. Thank you. I have taught you a lot of things, friends, right? Prepositions, narrations, tenses, active passive voice, a lot of things. Advanced English also too, and even my Cockney accent, sorry, and in which Sumit explained very well about that. Sumit and Karan, my students, I taught you at PUSA, and I explained the Cockney accents, because the toughest accent in the world, the Cockney accent. I do all the things, social work and all, and I'm a teacher. It's my profession. So what do you have to do? If you want to get the fluency, the flow, you want to get the flow. So how you will get that? The fluency. Right, are you? Fluency. Sumit? Yeah. Fluency.
Fluency.
The fluency, how you get the fluency? Do you have any idea that how we get the fluency? Do you have any idea that how we get the fluency? No. So I'm talking about fluency. Most of people want to speak the fluent English, but how can you? It's a practice. Only the practice. The practice makes a man perfect. That's true. So if every day you practice, practice all the mirror therapy, practice all with the people, your friends, your relatives, your colleagues, right? So your neighbors too also have the practice. So in India you will stay in India, right? It's not possible we speak 24 hours English, not possible. Your parents, they don't understand that. So you have to speak Hindi with them. Your grandparents also, so they don't understand, so you have to speak Hindi. I know that in India, the 24 hours not possible to speak English. But yes, not 24 hours, so 7 to 8 hours you're able to speak English. The teacher, professor, lecturer. If you call a student, you can speak with your professor and lecturer. And in school, you can speak, with your friends, your teachers. And society, you can speak with the lettered people. Latin means educated people, right? So, and you can improve a lot, to speak with these people. Those who are lettered and they understand English, they can speak very well, so you have to speak with them. Second thing is, you have to make a promise yourself that I'll speak in every 2 to 4 hours, and I'm only single for Hindi. Many students of mine, they all speak English. The English, I'm not talking about the English. I don't teach English. I hate English actually. I hate English. English means Hindi plus English. No, I'm not talking about this. I'm talking English, that grammatical English, British or American English. I'm talking to teach you right now. So please, you have to go and you have to speak and improve. Got to improve. You have a doubt, queries, you can ask me anytime. My number is over there. My number is there. On that. And below this video also, my number is always there. You can call me, ask me. And over the phone also, you can ask a lot of things I can teach you and tell you. So that, because I give the online classes also. Okay, I have the classes also here at my center, and online classes also. That if you want to join, you can go anytime, get me call and start in my session. Thank you very much. Thank you.